We are VERWO. For 100 years, we have stood for innovation, quality, and reliability in mechanical engineering and sheet metal processing. But we are much more than just a component manufacturer. We are contract manufacturers and offer a comprehensive service package that ranges from project management and product development to process optimization and high-end manufacturing. We are innovators redefining industrial solutions, ready to push the boundaries of what's possible. We are developers who work closely with our customers to create products that not only function, but inspire. We are the professional team for precision, supported by the latest technologies and decades of experience in metal processing. We are shapers of the future, passing on knowledge and skills to the next generation. In our state-of-the-art training facility, the VERWO Stifti, we prepare over 20 apprentices for their professional futures. We are home to over 300 highly skilled employees in Reichenberg, spread across 30,000 square meters with 160 state-of-the-art machines. Our professional team benefits from diverse career opportunities, modern workplaces, and flexible working models. We are pioneers in sustainability. With the largest cantonal photovoltaic system and strict environmental standards, we actively minimize our emissions. We are VERWO, your plus for industrial solutions.